Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by prepping the raft and the paint mill assembly. Make sure the hull sits with about 0.5 to 1 meter freeboard so waves won't swamp you. Attach the hopper, rotor, and pump using 1/2 fittings and thread sealant, tightening in a cross pattern to prevent stress. Once done, anchor in calm water close to shore and set the power source or manual crank within easy reach. This reduces movement while you work and keeps hoses tidy. You now assemble and calibrate the paint mill on the raft. Fit the rotor and drive, aligning shafts within 1/2 degree to minimize vibration. Secure couplings and guards. Connect suction and feed hoses, then prime the pump by filling the suction line and slowly engaging the drive to bleed air. Once fluid flows, adjust rotor speed and the feed gate until viscosity and discharge are steady. This ensures even milling and prevents clogging as you progress. You finish by flushing the mill and hoses thoroughly with the recommended solvent, then drain and cap all lines to prevent cured residue. Inspect seals, clamps, and pump pressure readings. Tighten or replace worn parts right away so the system stays reliable. If you hit reduced flow, first make sure there's no air in the suction line, then check rotor wear and screen clogs. Making these checks part of your routine keeps performance steady and avoids emergency repairs later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.